going, everyone? Monster Mike 816, and I got something really cool. This is from WARRKY. This is their 6-foot optical cable. This thing has a lifetime warranty. All you have to do once this gets to you is go to their website, put in your information, and boom, lifetime warranty. This thing has a braided protective cord, 24 karat gold heads on there. It's got the little optical covers on these, and it has a thin aluminum casing right here. This is top of the line, heavy duty optical cord. Yeah, you can go to those big box stores and you can pay that premium price for a cord that's not as good as this, or you can get this right here for an excellent price, and this is a premium optical cord. You've got new TVs, sound bars, computers, those fancy headphones, and you want to get the best sound without any lag, you're gonna want to get an optical cord. I searched high and low across tons of websites, all different kinds of stores, and this is a premium optical cord at a price that you're probably just not going to be able to beat. WARRKY does have that braided protection all the way down their cords from sleeve to sleeve. Like I said, that is a high grade aluminum sleeve right there, and these are 100% bendable. A lot of these you really can't bend them like that without damaging the cord. These are made to be like that. And yes, 24 karat gold connection point right there. Totally premium. Now this is the 6-foot cord. They got this all the way down to 3.3 feet up to 25 feet. So if you've got a long distance from your projector to your sound bars, anything like that, they got you covered on the link. Look, it's an optical cord. There is nothing better for audio. There's gonna be no lag from your audio to your video. If you're locked in on a movie or a game, it's gonna be perfect. Right now, the time of this video, Black Friday's recently passed. It's officially the holiday season. There's a lot of electronics being sold, TVs, sound bars, premium headphones to take the optical cords, and you're gonna need something like this to get the best sound quality. If you got a new TV and you're getting the sound bar, you're gonna need an optical cord to get that sound perfectly coming out of your sound bar. HDMIs, usually TVs just don't offer an output for your HDMI, so you are gonna need an optical cord. And if you've got those new premium headphones that take the optical cord, this is gonna be perfect for that if you're into gaming. So super simple, find the rounded edges on the cord, you find the rounded edges on the outlet and plug that right in, and this one locks right in. If you had some of your basic optical cords, guarantee you that would just be falling out right now. This brand, they lock right in, and it is super high quality. Let's face it, there's not many options out there. They're gonna give you a protective cover for your optical outlet when you get the cord. I mean, that is going above and beyond. Also included is a cool little customer service card. So if you need to get a hold of WARRKY for any reason, it's got all the contact information on there. Now, WARRKY is actually an acronym, and on the back of the package, they've got exactly what it stands for. Wonderful quality, aesthetic design, reliable technique, rigid, standard, kind response, and youthful culture. This is premium. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in to my TV and the sound bar and really give this thing a go. I went ahead and ran the cord temporarily just on the outside of the wall here. I will tuck this back in the wall, but just for demonstration purposes, I ran it like that. And as you can see, it goes right into the sound bar here, and it goes in to the TV back there, which is hard to see. Now I'm just gonna go through here real quick and give some audio samples. I'm sure that the camera is not picking it up as awesome as it is here in person, but right now this cord is working flawlessly and the sound is coming through amazing.
General and an army, we might stand a chance. That's it.
If you're looking to take your sound quality to the next level, Optical cord is definitely the way to go. The quality I got coming out of my sound bar and the headphones is phenomenal. It's crystal clear. It is incredible. It's right on sync with mouths that are moving. WARRKY also makes all different kinds of electrical components that are really top quality. If you're in the market for anything like that, be sure to check them out. I appreciate everybody watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Monster Mike 816, and I'm out.